Now the Geek here, and today I'm gonna be making a video about putting a Stephen Curry's shoes into a microwave. It's gonna be called Shoe in the Microwave. My brother wants me to do this because he had this water war with his friend Kendrick and all that, and he really had to do, and he's gonna do. And his shoes, and I bet his shoes got so wet that he wanted me to put that my little brother Chris Curries got so wet that he made me resort to putting them in a microwave. Okay, this is. You see that, and that's how wet they are. So wet that Chris wanted me to resort to putting them in a microwave. Can I better get a dress, Aldo? And here it is. A curry. A microwave curry. I know what you're gonna be thinking after this. I mean, who would put a curry who would be putting Stephen Curry's curry shoes in a microwave? What?
Wait, did you make a video?
Yes. And it is going to be cool. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the vid. Leave a like if you did. Like and subscribe. Stay awesome, everyone. And this is. I am finding this vid I am going to find this vid just as weird as you guys.